Welcome. Today we're diving into the fascinating geography of India, a country known for its incredible diversity in landforms and climate. From towering mountains to vast plains and beautiful coastlines, India's physical features shape its culture, climate, and way of life. In this video, we'll explore India's exact location on the globe, its impressive size, and the major physical divisions that make it unique. Whether you're a student or just curious, you'll find this journey through India's geography both informative and engaging. Let's start by understanding where India is located and how its position influences everything else. India is located in the southern part of Asia, forming a major part of the Indian subcontinent. It stretches from the snow-capped Himalayas in the north to the tropical rainforests in the south. India's position between the latitudes 8 degrees 4 N and 37 degrees 6 N and longitudes 68 degrees 7 E and 97 degrees 25 E places it in a strategic spot, influencing trade, climate, and culture. Its vast coastline along the Indian Ocean has historically connected it to other civilizations. This unique location has played a crucial role in shaping India's history and development. India is the seventh largest country in the world, covering an area of about 3.28 million square kilometers. It stretches approximately 3,214 kilometers from north to south and about 2,933 kilometers from east to west. This vast expanse means India experiences a wide range of climates and geographical features. The country's size also contributes to its rich biodiversity and cultural variety. From deserts to forests and mountains to coastlines, India's physical size is a key factor in its diversity. India's land can be divided into several distinct physiographic divisions, each with its own unique features. These divisions include the majestic Himalayas, the fertile northern plains, the ancient Peninsular Plateau, the scenic coastal plains, and the beautiful islands. Each region not only looks different but also supports different ways of life, agriculture, and culture. Understanding these divisions helps us appreciate the complexity and richness of India's geography. Let's take a closer look at each of these regions, starting with the Himalayas. Himalayas form the northern boundary of India, stretching across 5 states and acting as a natural barrier. These mountains are not only the highest in the world but also play a vital role in influencing India's climate by blocking cold winds from Central Asia. The Himalayas are home to many rivers, dense forests, and unique wildlife. They are also a source of inspiration for Indian culture and spirituality. The region is known for its breathtaking beauty and challenging terrain. Himalayas are made up of 3 parallel ranges: the Greater Himalayas, Himadri, the Lesser Himalayas, Himachal, and the Outer Himalayas, Shiwaliks. Each range has its own characteristics, from snow-capped peaks to lush valleys. The Himadri contains the highest peaks, including Mount Everest and Kanchenjunga. The Himachal is known for hill stations and forests, while the Shiwaliks are characterized by foothills and valleys. These ranges together create a diverse and dynamic landscape. Himalayas are not just a physical barrier, they are also the source of many major rivers like the Ganga, Yamuna, and Brahmaputra. These rivers provide water for millions and support agriculture in the plains below. The mountains also protect India from harsh northern winds and help bring rainfall to the region. Additionally, the Himalayas are rich in biodiversity and are home to many rare plants and animals. Their cultural and spiritual significance is immense, making them a vital part of India's identity. South of the Himalayas lie the northern plains, one of the most fertile regions in the world. Formed by the deposition of alluvium from rivers like the Ganga, Yamuna, and Brahmaputra, these plains stretch across several states. The flat and fertile land makes it ideal for agriculture, supporting a large population. The northern plains are often called the breadbasket of India because they produce a significant portion of the country's food grains. The region is also known for its dense network of rivers and canals. Northern plains were formed by the deposition of sediments brought down by the Himalayan rivers over millions of years. This process created a vast stretch of flat, fertile land. The region is divided into 3 sections: the Punjab Plains, the Ganga Plains, and the Brahmaputra Plains. Each section has its own unique features, but all are known for their rich soil and agricultural productivity. The plains are densely populated and have many important cities. Northern plains are crucial for India's economy and food security. The fertile soil supports the cultivation of crops like wheat, rice, sugarcane, and cotton. The region's rivers provide water for irrigation, making multiple cropping possible. The plains are also a hub for transportation, with major roads, railways, and cities located here. The dense population and economic activity make the northern plains one of the most vibrant regions in India. Moving south, we reach the Peninsular Plateau, one of the oldest landmasses in India. This region is made up of hard, ancient rocks and is rich in minerals. The plateau is bordered by the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats, which are mountain ranges running along the coasts. The Peninsular Plateau is known for its rolling hills, deep valleys, and scenic beauty. It is less fertile than the northern plains but is important for mining and industry. Peninsular Plateau is divided into 2 main parts: the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. The Central Highlands lie to the north and include the Malwa Plateau and Chotnagpur Plateau. The Deccan Plateau covers most of southern India and is bordered by the Western and Eastern Ghats. Each part has its own unique landscape, climate, and resources. The plateau is dotted with rivers, waterfalls, and forests, making it a region of great natural beauty. Peninsular Plateau is a treasure trove of minerals like coal, iron ore, and manganese. This makes it an important region for India's mining and industrial sectors. The plateau is also home to many tribal communities and unique cultures. Its rivers, such as the Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri, flow eastward and support agriculture in the region. The plateau's forests are rich in biodiversity and provide valuable resources like timber and medicinal plants. India's coastal plains run along the eastern and western edges of the country, meeting the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. These plains are narrow but fertile, supporting agriculture, fishing, and trade. The western coastal plain is known for its beautiful beaches and bustling ports, while the eastern coastal plain is wider and has many river deltas. The coastal regions are important for India's economy and culture, with many major cities located here. Western coastal plain stretches from Gujarat to Kerala and is divided into three sections: the Konkan, the Kannada, and the Malabar coast. This region is characterized by short, swift rivers, sandy beaches, and coconut groves. The western coastal plain is narrower than its eastern counterpart but is known for its scenic beauty and vibrant port cities like Mumbai and Kochi. Fishing and agriculture are major activities here. Eastern coastal plain runs from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu and is wider than the western plain. It is known for its large river deltas, such as those of the Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri. These deltas make the soil very fertile, supporting rice cultivation and fishing. The region is also prone to cyclones and floods due to its low elevation and proximity to the Bay of Bengal. Major cities like Chennai and Visakhapatnam are located here. Coastal plains are vital for India's economy. They support agriculture, especially rice and coconut cultivation, and are major centers for fishing. The presence of ports facilitates trade with other countries, making these regions economically significant. Tourism is also a major industry, with people flocking to the beaches in coastal cities. The coastal areas are culturally vibrant, with unique traditions, festivals, and cuisine. India has two main groups of islands: the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. These islands are known for their stunning natural beauty, coral reefs, and rich biodiversity. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are larger and more populated, while Lakshadweep is a group of small coral islands. Both groups are important for tourism, defense, and marine research. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal and consist of over 500 islands. These islands are covered with dense forests and are home to many indigenous tribes. The region is famous for its pristine beaches, coral reefs, and marine life. The capital, Port Blair, is an important naval base. The islands are also a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors with their natural beauty and adventure activities. Lakshadweep is a group of 36 coral islands located in the Arabian Sea. These islands are known for their white sandy beaches, clear blue waters, and vibrant coral reefs. Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory of India and has a unique culture influenced by its proximity to Kerala. The islands are important for marine research and are a growing tourist destination, especially for water sports and ecotourism. India's geography is marked by incredible diversity, from the towering Himalayas in the north to the lush coastal plains and islands in the south. This diversity supports a wide range of ecosystems, cultures, and ways of life. Each region has its own unique climate, vegetation, and wildlife. The variety in landscapes also means that India faces different challenges, such as floods in the plains and droughts in the plateau region. India's physical features have a direct impact on its climate. The Himalayas block cold winds from the north, keeping most of India warm. The Thar Desert in the northwest influences the monsoon winds, while the coastal regions receive heavy rainfall. The diversity in landforms leads to a variety of climates, from alpine in the mountains to tropical in the south. This climatic diversity affects agriculture, lifestyle, and even festivals across the country. India's major rivers originate in the Himalayas and the Peninsular Plateau, flowing across the plains and into the sea. These rivers are the lifelines of the country, providing water for drinking, irrigation, and industry. The Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri are some of the most important rivers. They support agriculture, transport, and are considered sacred in Indian culture. Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert, is located in the northwest of India. It covers parts of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab, and Haryana. The desert is characterized by sandy dunes, sparse vegetation, and extreme temperatures. Despite the harsh conditions, the Thar Desert supports a unique ecosystem and is home to many communities who have adapted to the environment. The region is also known for its vibrant culture and festival. Western Ghats are a mountain range running parallel to India's western coast. They are known for their rich biodiversity and are recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The region receives heavy rainfall and is covered with dense forests. The Western Ghats are home to many endemic species of plants and animals. They also play a crucial role in influencing the climate of the western coastal region. Eastern Ghats run along India's eastern coast and are not as high or continuous as the Western Ghats. These hills are older and more eroded, with many rivers cutting through them to form fertile deltas. The Eastern Ghats are important for agriculture and are home to many tribal communities. The region is also rich in minerals and forests. Deccan Plateau covers most of southern India and is bordered by the Western and Eastern Ghats. It is made up of ancient volcanic rocks and is rich in minerals. The plateau has a unique landscape of rolling hills, black soil, and river valleys. The region is important for cotton cultivation and mining. The Deccan Plateau is also known for its historical cities and monuments. Central Highlands are located to the north of the Deccan Plateau and include the Malwa Plateau and Chhattisgarh Plateau. This region is rich in minerals and forests. The Central Highlands have a rugged terrain with hills, plateaus, and river valleys. The area is important for mining and supports a variety of wildlife. The forests here are home to many national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Indian Peninsula is a triangular landmass that extends southward into the Indian Ocean. It is bordered by the Arabian Sea to the west, the Bay of Bengal to the east, and the Indian Ocean to the south. The peninsula is made up of the Peninsular Plateau and the coastal plains. Its unique shape and location influence India's climate, trade, and maritime activities. India's major cities are spread across its diverse physical regions. Delhi is located in the northern plains, Mumbai on the western coastal plain, Chennai on the eastern coastal plain, and Bengaluru on the Deccan Plateau. Each city's location influences its climate, culture, and economic activities. The diversity in geography is reflected in the unique character of each city. India shares its borders with several countries including Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and Myanmar. To the south, it is surrounded by the Indian Ocean. These borders influence India's trade, security, and cultural exchanges. The country's location at the crossroads of Asia has made it a melting pot of cultures and ideas throughout history. India's diverse physical features provide a wealth of natural resources. The Himalayas supply water, forests, and hydroelectric power. The Peninsular Plateau is rich in minerals like coal and iron ore. The plains support agriculture while the coastal regions are important for fishing and trade. This abundance of resources supports India's economy and development. India is one of the world's most biodiverse countries, thanks to its varied landscapes. The Western Ghats and Eastern Himalayas are recognized as global biodiversity hotspots. These regions are home to thousands of plant and animal species, many of which are found nowhere else. Protecting this biodiversity is crucial for maintaining ecological balance and supporting livelihoods. India's population is unevenly distributed due to its physical features. The fertile northern plains and coastal regions are densely populated, while the mountains and deserts have fewer people. This distribution affects development, infrastructure, and access to resources. Understanding how geography influences population helps in planning for the country's future. India's geography has a big impact on its transport and communication networks. The flat plains are ideal for building roads and railways, while the mountains and forests present challenges. The coastal regions have major ports that connect India to the rest of the world. Advances in technology are helping to overcome geographical barriers and improve connectivity across the country. India's land use is shaped by its physical features. The fertile plains are used for intensive agriculture, while the plateau and hilly regions are used for mining, forestry, and plantation crops. The coastal areas support fishing and rice cultivation. Land use patterns vary greatly across the country, reflecting the diversity in climate, soil, and topography. India's geography makes it prone to various natural disasters. The Himalayan region is vulnerable to earthquakes and landslides, while the coastal areas face cyclones and floods. The plains can experience floods during the monsoon, and the desert regions face droughts. Understanding the link between geography and natural disasters is important for disaster management and planning. India's physical features have shaped its cultural diversity. The mountains, plains, plateaus, and coasts have given rise to different languages, traditions, and lifestyles. Festivals, food, clothing, and architecture vary from region to region, reflecting the influence of geography. This diversity is one of India's greatest strengths and is celebrated across the country. India's rapid development has led to environmental challenges such as deforestation, pollution, and loss of biodiversity. The pressure on land and resources is increasing, especially in densely populated regions. Sustainable development and conservation are essential to protect India's natural heritage for future generations. Efforts are being made to balance growth with environmental protection. India's diverse landscapes attract millions of tourists every year. From the snow-capped Himalayas to the sunny beaches of Goa and the lush forests of Kerala, there is something for everyone. Tourism is an important industry, providing jobs and supporting local economies. The country's natural beauty and cultural heritage make it a top destination for travelers from around the world. India is taking steps to conserve its natural resources and protect its environment. National parks, wildlife sanctuaries, and biosphere reserves have been established across the country. Efforts are being made to protect endangered species and restore degraded ecosystems. Public awareness and community participation are key to successful conservation. India's location at the crossroads of Asia has made it a center for trade, culture, and innovation. Its proximity to the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and Central Asia has influenced its history and development. The country's strategic position continues to play a key role in regional and global affairs. To sum up, India's geography is incredibly diverse, with each region offering something unique. The Himalayas, northern plains, peninsular plateau, coastal plains, and islands all contribute to the country's rich natural and cultural heritage. Understanding these features helps us appreciate India's complexity and the challenges and opportunities it faces. Geography shapes every aspect of life in India, from the food people eat to the clothes they wear and the festivals they celebrate. It influences the economy, culture, and even politics. By understanding India's physical features, we gain insight into its past, present, and future. Geography is not just about maps and landforms, it's about understanding the world we live in. India's location, size, and physical features have shaped its history, culture, and development. From the mighty Himalayas to the fertile plains, ancient plateaus, vibrant coasts, and beautiful islands, each region adds to the country's unique identity. As we've seen, geography is the foundation of India's diversity and strength. Thank you for joining this journey through India's land and legacy.